Another day out working on stuff. Today I got called down to Orting to the Electron Hydro facility, and one of the workers has an RV here. And it was a crank no start. Originally it had dead batteries. They replaced the batteries, and then it would crank nice and strong, but it wouldn't start or do anything. So first thing I went through, I thought maybe it'd be fuel. Checked the fuel stuff. Fuel doesn't look great, but that wasn't the issue. And then I noticed, okay, next in line would be power related. It hasn't started since the new batteries were put in, so I figured maybe it's something there. When I looked at the dash, none of the battery light was at zero, the odometer was at zero, so clearly something computer related was not registering. So I went down to the battery box area, and there's a funky cutoff switch that obviously is aftermarket that was taped up and it looked ugly. So I measured on both sides, and even with it in the on position, one leg was hot, one leg was cold, and clearly even on the on position that meant the switch was bad. So bypassed it and it fires right up. So if you start having electrical issues, first thing I say is gut all this aftermarket stuff and go straight to factory, and you probably will solve your problems. This guy obviously failed on the inside, and that's what today's problem was.